Hi everybody, welcome to Ask2JS. Today we are going to see method chaining in JavaScript. What is method chaining? It's a technique for calling multiple functions on the same object consecutively. Okay, so it's again just calling a function. Instead of calling a function one by one in every single row, you can call a multiple function as a chaining. Let's suppose you are a jQuery developer. You could have used this method chaining multiple times. Let's say if you want to add some background color on body tag, so you could have used jQuery body dot css background, and if you want to set some width or height, you can set consecutively. So this you would have used multiple times in jQuery. Similarly, in JavaScript, you can do yourself. Okay, let me start a simple example. Okay, I'm going to create a function called math. Okay, so this is a function math. I'll create a simple function. Okay, let me keep a variable. I'll keep a this dot val equal to 0. Okay, so basically it's a constructor function, so you have to create an instance to execute this one function. So I'm gonna create a multiple functions. So let's say my first function name is add. Okay, since it's a constructor functions, you cannot create like this, so I just created for sample. So you have to tell like this dot add equal to function of. Okay, so I'm expecting some parameter. I'll put val. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this dot val with the val what I am getting as a parameter, this dot val plus val. Okay, so I'll create one more function called subtraction. So I will say this dot sub. But I'll copy paste this. So instead of this, I'll put a minus. Okay, so I'll create one more function called this dot print. Okay, so I'm gonna write a function again. So here I don't need a parameter, so I'm gonna put just a console log. So I'll print the value result, or ESU result is this dot val. Okay, let me create instance. Okay, where let's say calc equal to what is our function math. Okay, I'm going to create instance new of math. Okay, I'm going to call the add function. Okay, calc dot add of 10. Okay, and sub of 5 and print. Okay, so let me inspect this. I'll open a console. Okay, I'll execute this function. Oops, there's a token is missing. Again a mistake, func cannot read. If you see, it says cannot read a property called sub. So here the method chaining is not working. So to make it work, what you should do? So first I was calling add function. So from add function I'm trying to call a sub function. But what happens after the add, the sub is not getting called, because you should add something more to make it work. I'm gonna do a return this. So I'm gonna copy this and subtract function also. What happens here when you return this, the current object? So this function's returning the current object. So the current object has all the functions. So whatever functions available in the class or a variable, so you can use everything when you are able to return the current object itself. That's how the method chaining is working. I'm going to run it again. You got the result is 5. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this course. If you have any doubt, please comment me below. Thanks a lot. Bye.